So itong mga to, pwede siyang search and rescue dahil yung mga gears na meron yung Caldigger Industries na ginagamit sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, imbis na separate pa yung technology, in-integrate na namin dito sa loob na to. Para pag nagkaroon ng disaster response, ready na mag-help sa mga rescuers and ready mag-save lives sa mga Filipino.
Now, this is an example of our 3D scanner. So, like for example, there's a guest kanina na scanan namin yung mukha nila. So, we use a 3D scanner for that application. So, we have an LCD screen. We can scan any item, any object, any people. And then, once we digitize it, pwede namin i-3D model siya. Tapos, pwede namin palakin, paliitin, patabain kung anong gusto ng customer. Then, we can print according to yung specification ng customer.
Nextorch po at saka ang Piggy Tertiary ay nag-combine para i-promote yung mga waveform na isa sa mga materials na sinishare namin lalo na sa mga law enforcement. Isa po ako sa mga instructor ng Piggy Tertiary na nagsusulong ng safety control and tactic. Gamit po yung mga tools na ito pang-control lalo na pagdating po sa mga arresting procedure.
So hello po, my name is Clipen Devoma, also known as Guns Pinoy, and I believe that it is very important for them to choose the right one, specific para sa kanila, not just because a brand is sikat or a model is trending, but choosing the right one for them.
Hello, I'm Nico Duque from Resolute Premier Arms, located in BGC. We're here now in the Tax Expo. We're here currently introducing our product, the PTR, the modern version and refined version of the classic NT5.
Ang importance po ng drone na to, this is industrial heavy drone and professional grade. Malaking tulong nito sa ating mga people in the service, people in uniform. It will not just add the efficiency of your operations, but also the safety of our personnel.
So, kailangan natin maging crowd smart sa mga events, no? Kasi minsan nawawala yung essence of safety natin pag nandito na tayo sa loob ng mga crowds, no? These crowds can kill you. Pwede kang maipit, yung tinatawag na compressive asphyxia, resulting from the stampede to crowd crash or crowd collapse.
Firearm safety requires training, especially handling. But one of the most important things in safety of firearms is not only the handling. You have to remember, safety with firearms starts by knowing the law.
I'm Colonel Versosa, and we are featuring some of our new product, the STK series. We also have the assault rifle, the Torch 5.56, the 14.5. Na-present na rin natin. We have the RIA 5.0. It's a patented of arms store. Para sa inyo to, Proudly Philippines, gawang Marikina.
Makikita nyo, binabago po namin yung sistema. Gusto namin madali na po. We want to make sure yung mga responsible gun owners, you will not have hard time getting permit to carry and carrying firearms. Sa Bagong Pilipinas,